So today I'm showing you three super easy relaxed hairstyles. So the first hairstyle, you're going to take the hair at the nape of the neck. You're going to get your right hand and place it over, and then you're going to twist up with that right hand, holding it into place. Then you're going to get a claw clip and just literally pop that in, and that is the first hairstyle done. I like to just go in and just hold onto that clip and just tease out the sections on the side, but that is optional. But that is hairstyle number one, super easy. We're going to go on to hairstyle number two now. So you're going to grab hold of the hair and you're going to part it diagonally at the back of the head. So just take your finger and literally just sweep it across diagonally. You're then going to take hold of these two sections and do a little twist braid. So just passing the sections over each other. You can do a little bit of a twist to the right first if you want to, but just do that all the way down and pop an elastic in. You're then going to take hold of this twist braid and you're going to pin it up. So you're just going to take hold, twist it up, put it back through itself like that. And then I used a hairpin today, but you could just use normal hair grips if you wanted to. I'm just going in now again and just kind of teasing this style out, but that is it. That's all you have to do. Super cute, super easy. Look, I think this one was my favorite one. So the last hairstyle, again, you're just going to take it to the nape of the neck and you're just going to twist up like a normal, like sort of French twist style. So twisting it up, twisting it up. Again, you're going to grab hold of your claw clip and secure that hair into place, squeezing it down, release that hair, and then I kind of twisted it up to the right. And again, I used the hairpin, but you could just use normal hair grips, or you could put some more in just for security. But again, that is the last style. Super quick, super easy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.